Okay, it is better we check the questions based on longitudes and latitudes. This is a topic in Form 4. And longitude and latitude is the most easiest topic ever, as you can see. So, today we are going to check on this question based on it. Two towns, A and B, lies on the same parallel of latitude 60 degrees north. If the longitude of A and B are 42 degrees west and 29 degrees east respectively. First question, find the distance between A and B in nautical miles. That one. The two part of it, Roman 2, find the same distance in kilometers. What are we going to do? For us to come out, we have to sketch the diagram of longitude and latitude. It means we are going to draw the sphere of the earth, that is a circle like this. We have to first draw it like that. And remember, here we have great circle, a great circle that is equator, which is always marked at 0 degrees. This is equator, and it normally turns like that. Then, apart from equator, we also have the main longitude, which is prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. Also 0 degrees to the north and also 0 degrees to the south. This is north. After knowing this, so this is the equator. Equator is the great circle. The great latitude, that's why we call it great circle. It divides this sphere into two equal parts. So any circle, apart from equator going to the northern part of it, is a small circle. So remember, the question is saying, two towns A and B lies on the same parallel of latitude 60 degrees north. So let's draw our latitude here and say it is 60 degrees north. That is the latitude. If the longitudes of point A and B are 42, so the longitudes, we can draw our longitude like that, and also to the eastern part like that. So the first longitude, which is this one, to the west and also to the east. What are you going to do? They lie on the same latitude, which has been given on a small circle. And this latitude, to the west, this is the western part of it. To the west, this one is going to be the part A. Tumeambiwa, if A and B are 42 degrees west, 42 means this is the A. So this is 42 degrees west. So our point A is going to be somewhere there. And on the eastern part of it, we have point B. And this point B is going to be 29 degrees but east of the Greenwich meridian. So this is where the point B is going to be. So this is B and this is point A. So after understanding that, I think we can move on and say we can now calculate the responsible question. Number one, find the distance between A and B in nautical miles. Between A and B. So for us to get the distance between, this is a distance between point A to point B along this longitude. And the latitude that is connecting this, we have a theta somewhere there. This theta here. So the differences between longitude A and longitude B, there is a distance that makes up this theta. And this theta here is going to be the difference between these two angles. And being that point A lies on the western part of the Greenwich meridian and point B lies on the eastern part, we are going to take the difference. That difference is going to be, so theta is going to be given by 42 degrees plus 29 degrees to the east. This one is to the west. So after computing this, we take, if we add 42 plus 29, we are going to get 71. This is giving us 71 degrees. So our theta is going to be 71 degrees. So how can we use this 71 degrees to calculate the distance in nautical mile? This is what we are going to do. According to this, because in great circle, if you are calculating distance in great circle, we normally say theta over 360 2 pi r, big R. But remember, this is a distance on a small circle. This is a small circle, not a great circle, not equator. So we are going to check on another example, which normally say r, our radius is now going to be given to r is equals to r kubwa cos alpha. That is what we need to understand. Where alpha is going to remain to be the latitude itself, this one. So in this case, we are going to say distance is given by theta. Our theta is going to be 71. So we take 71 over 360 degrees times 2 times 22 over 7 times r. R of the, which means the great circle, is going to be 63, is given by 6370 cos of latitude, and our latitude is this, cos 60 degrees. Yes, that is what we are going to calculate. So by doing this, because, and the reason as to why we are using cos 60, cosine of 60, is because we are working on a small circle, not a great circle, smaller circle. So if you were to calculate this, we compute it here by saying 71 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 6370, the cos of 60, and we are coming out with 3948. 39, we are coming out with 3948, 3948, 3948. This one is going to be in kilometers. 3948 kilometers. So next question is to calculate it in nautical miles. How can we get this in nautical mile? In nautical mile, for us to get the same distance in nautical mile, we normally say 60 theta cos of what? Cos of alpha. 60 theta cos alpha, if you want to get it in nautical mile. So in this case, you're going to take 60 times theta is 71 degrees cos alpha, which is 60 degrees. And if you compute this, we get 60 times 71 cos 60. We get 2130. We are going to get 2130 n. But somebody may ask, why do we use 60 cos theta? Because 1 degree is always equals to 60 what? 60 nautical miles. So that's why you are multiplying 60 times that, so that you may get 60 nautical, 60 times this, which is going to give us how many nautical miles. But we have to use cos latitude, because that is the point that we are given. So I think this is going to be our correct answer. Otherwise, thank you and God bless you for following.